Alright, so I've already pretty much wrapped this up, but I thought while I'm doing a video YouTube series, I might as well record this. So when we got here today, this water pump's totally separate from our espresso machine water pump, which runs back there. So anyways, this is just to our sinks. As you see, our sinks right there. And then we actually have those sinks. So anyways, what I did was I just cut off all water supply to this water heater right here. We really don't use it. When I got here, it was just spewing out of here whenever I turned on this water pump. I turned the water pump on and off because we have this, the source of this battery is to our car battery, or to the truck battery, so I don't want to drain it too much, so I just cut this off and I just unplug it right there every day. So anyways, alright, I cut off all source to the water heater, because what happens is it comes, you know, down through here from our water tank, goes through the pump. It was coming like this right here to where it was shooting up to the water heater, and then the water heater is shooting it out. The water heater is flooding, so what I did was I have extras, and I didn't leave or anything like that. It didn't close down. I just came in with these right here. I cut, and I cut right there, and I cut down there, so I cut 3 ways, and I just stuck an elbow right here, so that water is going to come down through here from the water tank, and it's going to come right there and go up to our sink to give us some water. So yeah, there you go. If you ever have a problem, your water heater is flooding, or, you know, I think I mentioned earlier maybe that we had freezing temperatures, so I think something went south there. We kind of messed that up, but here's a solution to it.